Welcome back to Luxevista TV. Today we explore a remarkable GMC 6 Lux Expedition motorhome, a vehicle designed to travel far beyond ordinary roads, while offering expression comfort wherever the journey leads. With its commanding presence, body styling, 6 wheels configuration, motorhome stand out in landscape, whether parked beside a mountain range, crossing remote desert, tour a lasting along coastal route. It brings together adventure and refined living, truly unique. Created from travelers who seek freedom without compromise, this impressive vehicle offers generous living space, elegant designed elements, and features that transform every destination into a place to call home. Every detail has been carefully arranged to provide the comfort during long journey, while maintaining strong, confident appearance the world. Its striking exterior combines a large capability with a modern designer, creating a vehicle that captures attention wherever it goes. Larger window invite natural light through the living area, while premium finishes contribute to any atmosphere that feels welcoming and contemporary. For those who dream exploring distant landscape without leaving a comfort behind, this GMC 6 Expedition motorhome present solution. It represents lifestyle built around discover independence and the ability to travel at own paces while enjoying the confidence normal associated with luxury accommodation. More than simply a means of transport, this is a vehicle has been designed to support extended journey across the river environment, from winding mountain roads to vast open plain. It provides flexibility to travel further while remaining connected to the comfort of everyday life. Its careful planned layout allows owner to enjoy longer adventure with confidence, and a convenience between practicality and a comfort is one of its most appealing qualities. Spacious living area create a relaxing atmosphere after the day expression, while smart storage solution help maximize available space. Every section has been arranged with needs of modern travel in mind, making life on the road both comfortable and enjoyable. As interest in luxury expression vehicle continue to grow around the world, motor homes like GMC 6 are redefining the way people experience. They offer the opportunity to reach extraordinary destinations while enjoying a level of comfort associated with remote expression. Truthfully, this is documentary will take a closer look at its exterior designer, living space, technology features, and unique details that make one of a massive expression motorhomes available today. Join us discover what make extraordinary GMC 6 luxury expression motor, true symbol of a modern adventure. This is Luxevista TV.